Republic TV was the first to take up the investigation into the Sunanda Pushkar murder case. And there's a massive development today. Dr. Subramaniam Swamy has filed a PIL in the Delhi High Court, a public interest litigation in the Delhi High Court in connection with the Sunanda Pushkar murder case. Dr. Swamy is demanding a CBI probe into the murder case, a probe headed by the CBI and with a special investigating team. Time and again, Republic tried to question Mr. Tharoor on the Sunanda Pushkar murder case. This time too, his men attacked the Republic crew.
Shashi Tharoor, who has just been inside court, we're also trying to get in touch with the first words that he could give to Republic TV. All his attempts to try and intimidate us not working. His followers already here forming a so-called human chain to try and see that we don't try and stop him. But just trying to get in a word from him, even as we are being pushed and shoved when a word is being asked for. Mr. Tharoor, one word. Do you think that, did you directly or indirectly try to get in touch? Mr. Tharoor, did you directly or indirectly try? Mr. Tharoor, did you directly? Mr. Tharoor, you know, there is a push that's being given to us. This man is pushing us very majorly. Mr. Tharoor, just one word from you. His followers are pushing us away. Mr. Tharoor, just one word here. Even as his followers are not letting us ask the question. Mr. Tharoor, just one word. Did you directly or indirectly try to contact Sunanda Pushkar, the person who tried to do the autopsy on Sunanda Pushkar? Clearly, this man trying his best in the blue shirt not to let us ask the pertinent questions to Shashi Tharoor, who walked away. He had a cocky smile on his face. This human army that was formed around his car, clearly not letting us get away, not letting us ask the questions that we wanted to at a time when Tharoor should have answered the questions. He's trying to intimidate us, but fearless journalism of Republic continues. In Trivandrum, Rhythm for Republic. The elusive Shashi Tharoor is not here. His car is here. We've got intimidations. Ramita and me tried to go inside, try to speak with him. The goons shouted at us. They told us if you continue standing here, Congress members will be called here. The car is now going somewhere. Apparently, he might go off in another car because they do know that Republic's cameras are following them. We were the only channel present here. We walked inside there, and that's the building where Shashi Tharoor really stays. But for now, we're not able to get any sort of movement from whether Mr. Tharoor is actually going to come out of here. Apparently, knowing that we're outside here, he's going to walk out from another door in another car because his car just left. We got the visuals of that. The most shocking part, our driver was called inside. His goons, whom we have on camera, threatened our driver that if you don't move from here, your car will be broken. There are certain Students Association members whom we've called here. We are courageously, fearlessly continuing to wait here. My VJ, who's currently shooting here, Shrikant, will have his reaction soon with us, was also told by the same goon, if you continue being here, we will take action against you. You watch what we do to you. We don't understand the language that Shashi Tharoor and these people are trying to speak with us, but we continue tracking the man who's continuing to evade the simple questions Republic is asking him on the investigation, ironically, of his wife's death. With Shrikant and Ramita, I'm Rhythm in Trivandrum for Republic.